Hello Capricorn, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Capricorn, first of all, a very happy new year to all of you. I hope this year brings you lots of blessings, growth and happiness, okay? Lots of wonderful memories. And today I'm going to do this reading for the month of January 2022. Please keep in mind this is a timeless and general reading, so take only what resonates with you. And if you feel drawn to the title of any other reading, check out those messages also, as there might be some guidance for you. Okay. First of all, when I was channeling your energy, Capricorn, I really felt like there's a lot of hesitancy in you. I mean, you're holding back. There's a lot that you want to share with people around you. Maybe you want to share your emotions, feelings with a certain person, but you're holding back. I don't know why. That's the kind of energy I felt. And I think you're being nudged very strongly to go and speak about it, to talk about it, but there's something that's stopping you. It could also be your own fears, it could also be some sort of confusion, because I also sensed a bit of hangman energy and a bit of stubbornness. So all I want to say that if there's any confusion, please contemplate on the matter. If there's stubbornness or if there's your ego, understand that love is way more important than your ego. Okay, don't let it come in between your breakthroughs and manifestations. And yeah, let's get started and see what other messages come. Six of Swords, moving towards calmer waters, peaceful times. Okay, first is Page of Pentacles, then the Five of Pentacles, okay, and this card I will take it, King of Pentacles, okay, I will take these two cards. The one is Ten of Wands and then the Tower. Okay, so major shifts are coming in your life, and when I see your cards, I feel like whatever is leaving your life is making space for something better. King of Pentacles is always better than the Page of Pentacles. So if at all you're feeling that lack mentality, if you're trying to hold on to things, because there was an energy of stubbornness and holding on to things, Four of Pentacles energy. So if you're feeling that kind of energy, that you have to understand that this need to happen, only then the Six of Pentacles can happen. Okay, until you realize that this journey, this chapter has closed off. It had a purpose, it has served it, but now you have to make space for better things. And for that, you have to take that leap of faith, I would say, or maybe you have to have that strength so that you can let other things or better things come into your life. Okay, so things may have been a little bit chaotic for you, and there's still a lot of this is more about when you are confessing your own emotions. This could also be you taking stand for your own beliefs, and this may shake a bit of those foundations that are weak, and you will realize where you have to reconstruct or rebuild again. Okay, so this is also about you taking back your power and not taking everybody else's responsibility, you being responsible for your own work. Okay, and this will cause a bit of turbulence for others. I don't see this is affecting you so much. This is more about people getting affected or your environment getting affected by this tower, and you standing firm and strong in your own beliefs. That's the energy I'm sensing here. And look what we have, the Lovers. That's why I said that I've been sensing this kind of energy, that you want to speak up, you want to share your emotions with someone. So please, if you're hesitating, don't hesitate. I think the outcome will be very good. In fact, I think this, if this is about a person, they may feel very shocking. Okay, as this may come as a surprise for them, but don't hold yourself back. Okay. All right, so let me see some oracle cards for you. And Capricorn, this is your season. Okay, own that power, own that energy. Okay, here and now. Yeah, the time is now. Don't postpone it. Okay, take that little steps, I would say. All right, so that's how I'm feeling. And this number also comes to number 32. So this is all about change. Number 5 is all about change. For some of you, this may also be very challenging, but it's worth it. And let me see some cards from the Moonology Oracle deck. Actually, one card. Oh, what do you need to release? The 5 of Pentacles, of course. Okay, and then communication is key. That's what I said. There's a lot that you really want to speak, and I mean, I can read your energies like that, but there's a hesitancy or maybe a fear of rejection or something like that you have to let go. Okay, only then you can manifest good things. So this is speaking, I'm sorry, this is making space for better things. Let it happen. Okay, and if you'll resist it, it's only going to be more challenging for you. Okay, so don't try to control. And Capricorn, if you have any questions in your mind, please think about that question, as I'm going to pull out one card. Take it how it resonates with your situation. You have to use your own discernment, as this is a general reading. Okay, so okay, I think I have to pull out this card. No, whatever your question is, I'm going to pull out one more card as a clarifier for this one. I think this is more in regards to you resisting this change, and the divine is saying that no, go with the flow, but still we'll pull out one. Be assertive. Yeah, stand your ground. Okay, be the King of Pentacles, not the Page of Pentacles. That doesn't have much of stability, but the King of Pentacles does have. Okay, so I'm going to pull one final card as love guidance for this month, for all those who are interested in that. Peacefulness. You recognize that balance, kindness and love bring calmness to your soul. Okay, wow. Peacefulness. Here also we have the same thing, you know, peaceful times, heading towards the peaceful times, you know, embracing this tower. And just after that storm, there is a lot of peace and serenity that is available to you. Okay, so embrace that, focus on that. Okay, the storm will pass. So that's all I have for you. If you resonated with this reading, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.